Hey, good afternoon, traders. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be taking a look at Constellation Energy Corporation, ticker symbol CEG. So I'm going to reapply some of the drawings I had, and we're going to look at it. We're going to start by looking at it in the daily view, but then I want to take you into the 24-hour view. So the daily view, let me reapply these drawings. So you can see we were in this parallel, framed out pretty nicely here, all the way dating back into 2024, right? And then when the tariff news came out, we went from a pivot high of about 350, sold down into as low as 160, right? So massive, massive impulse move where we came down, formed this bear flag, this inside bar bear flag, sold off, formed another bear flag, sold off into that final fifth leg down. And then from there, we rallied hard. So we rallied with only one little consolidation here and this little bullish consolidation here and this bull flag. We rallied straight from basically 187 all the way up to our high today. So I want to reapply the 24-hour chart because it smooths out a lot of these gaps. So I like to look at it from that under that lens. Also, I like to look at the full range of price movement in the after hours, both pre-market and aftermarket. So if we reapply or we apply the 24-hour, which is a custom view that you can create yourself inside trading view, you can see the candle structure changes too. It now becomes a topping tail with a massive large wick that takes us through the median line of the parallel and through the previous all-time high, which is super interesting to note, right? Because if we go back to the daily, the candle just looks like a big red bar candle, right? Closing below the low, below the high from yesterday. So it does look very, very different, and that's important because I'm gonna back into a potential entry opportunity on this. But before I do that, I want to show you a couple other things. So big red bar volume sells all the way through, all the way down, right, into that low, and then you don't have a whole lot of big green buys. You have a few in here, but look how huge today's massive sell volume was. So big time unloading here. Also, I want to point this out. You have higher highs on the price, and you have lower lows on the RSI, right? So what's that? That's bearish divergence, and it's rolling over here. So you have bearish divergence on the RSI, and you have massive sell volume, and you have this massive topping tail. So what am I doing in my own personal trading? So I am looking to enter a short position on this, and I'm going to wait for the 50% retrace. So, and the 50% retrace is going to be of this entire move today, right? So let me come in a little bit. Let me make this a little bit bigger, and I'm going to wait to enter to about 336. Another potential entry would be into this high here, but I do think I'm going to be a little bit more patient, and I am going to wait for that 50% retrace. Then I'll likely dollar cost average in this golden pocket, and then my third add, if we were to get there, would be previous all-time high, a wick above, or somewhere right kind of in this zone here. I don't know that it's going to get there, but anything's possible, especially with the way this market has been behaving. Anything definitely is possible. I've learned that. So I'm going to dollar cost average into the short position. And then what are my targets going to be? So my target one is going to be this 273.19. Okay, that will be target one. And then target two would be 230.99, right? This previous pivot top where you can see this came back retraced too. So, and again, this is a swing trade, so I see myself being in this, a few weeks, potentially a couple of months. And like I said, I'm prepared to add if I need to as it goes higher. But this massive candle here, This tells me really all I need to know. This thing's going lower. RSI is curling over. I mean, they're selling this off, especially with this massive move. So I think this is a really good risk to reward ratio. I think this is setting up nicely. And just so everybody knows, this is my personal trading strategy, and this is for educational purposes. No financial advice will be given on this channel. Again, this is only for educational purposes. So I just wanted to fully disclaim that and be transparent about that. My own personal strategy that I'm sharing. So again, love this setup. Really kind of sink that in today with this massive candle and this massive sell volume. So again, waiting for that retrace into this zone here, going into a short position, and yeah, I think this is a great setup. So I hope you guys saw value and see value in these trade analysis videos. I'll be doing them regularly, 1 to 2 a day. I know it's a relatively new channel, but I've been trading for years, and I'm happy to share my knowledge with others. I hope you guys find my TA insightful and valuable. And if you'd like to see me do any ticker symbols, I'd be happy to do them. Just simply comment in the comments below. Do me a favor. If you like this, hit that like button, show your love, share this with any friends and family members that you think might see value in this. I really enjoy doing these, and hopefully you guys like them as well. So until the next one, catch you on the next one. Thanks, guys. Take care. Bye now.